A major milestone for Paradise. The school district broke ground today on a new elementary school to replace the one that burned down in the Camp Fire. Paradise Elementary was one of 4 schools in the town destroyed by that fire. Now, students from Ponderosa and Paradise Elementary have since been attending Paradise Ridge Elementary, but growing enrollment overcrowded that campus. So plans to rebuild began and the district approved these renderings you see here of the school last year, which is expected to cost about $50 million to bring this all to life. Now, half of the students at Paradise Ridge will move to this new campus. And Action News Now reporter Sade Pullen went to today's groundbreaking and has a look at what's in the works.
Today symbolized a day of resilience, growth, and celebration here at the Paradise Elementary groundbreaking. The event was emotional, drawing numerous community members and former staff to witness the school's first major step in rebuilding. Caitlin Alderson and Laura Dalton, former teachers from Paradise Elementary, shared their thoughts.
Yeah, it's a healing reunion. So it's been wonderful to see friends who have taught here in the past, friends that we are currently teaching with, and watch Paradise go from surviving to thriving.
Yes. Yeah, it definitely brings back all the feels of, just knowing how important this is and how much we love this spot too.
The rebuilding of Paradise Elementary is seen by many as a symbol of resilience. Melissa Crick from Paradise Unified School District mentioned that the original school was built in the 1930s, and the new construction is estimated to cost around $50 million. The district plans to complete the construction in phases. Former teachers reminisced about the old school and its memories.
I think it's bittersweet in a way. We had a great school. I taught there for about 22 years. We were super close, like a family, and so afterwards it was really hard to say goodbye. A lot of people just left and we didn't see them again. Our classes just kind of disappeared.
Crick from Paradise Unified School District says the school will keep the same name, Paradise Elementary School, and they will remain the Panthers as their mascot, with their school colors being blue and white. Reporting in Paradise, I'm Sade Pullen with Action News Now.
The school is expected to be completed in the summer of 2026.